Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to my channel Syamala All in One. Today we are going to explain paper 1, paper 2 in Madhyama. Let come, we will see. If this is Madhyama paper 1, in this first one, they will give 3 poems. In these 3 poems, you have to write any one of the poem. For this one poem, you will get 5 marks. Next, the second Roman, they will give 8 question and answer. This 8 question and answers, you have to write 5 question and answers. For each one question, 2 marks. So 5 twos are 10 marks. Number 3. So this is also poetry, and this is poetry question and answers, and this is poetry essays. In this 3 poetries they will give. In this poetries you have to write one poetry essay. For this one you will get 14 marks. Only one you have to write in this 3. Next, fourth, this is by hearted poems. They will give 3. You have to write only 2. Each one 2.5 mark. So 2.5, 5 marks. This is the poetry. And from here prose will come. The fifth one is you have to write in this 10 meanings, 5 you have to write. Each one half mark. So 1 mark, 5 marks. And fifth Roman you have to write opposites. In this opposites you have to write 5 and 5 marks. So each one 1 mark. Meaning 1 mark and opposite also 1 mark. This is the matching. They gave the answers. You have to match it which is the correct one. So 5 you have to write 5 marks. And the sixth one is you have to make the sentences. 10 they gave. In this 10, 5 you have to write. Each one 2 marks. So 5 twos, 10 marks. And the seventh one, they will give comprehension, and they will give 3 question and answer. For this 3 question and answers, you have to search and write these answers. Answer will be in this one only. So think and write. This is 3 questions, 2 marks each one, 3 to 6 marks. And the eighth one, they will give small question and answers. 5 they gave. You have to write any 2. So 5 twos are 10. Each one 5 marks. These everything are prose. So that prose essays 4 they will give. In this 4 you have to write any one of the story. So for this one you will get 15 marks. 15 marks. Next, this is the grammar part, 11th one and last one. In this grammar part they will give 8 question and answers. You have to write any 5, each one 2 marks. So 5 to 10 marks. This is only the paper 1. This is Madhyama 2 paper. So each paper 2.5 hours they will give. In this time we have to finish this everything. So this is the stories book, Kahani. 4 small questions they will give. For this 4 you have to write any 2. Each one 2 marks. So 2 twos are 2.5 mark, 5 marks. Next, the second one you have to write the story of the essay. 3 they will give. Any 1 you have to write, 10 marks. Next, this is the question and answers. 4 they will give. 2 you have to write. Each one 2.5 mark. In this question and answers, essays will come. 4 they will give. In this 4 you have to write 1. Each one 10 marks. Next, here onwards grammar part will come. This is the ling, gender. 10 they gave, you have to write any 4. If you know everything, you can write, no problem. So 4 marks. This is the Vachan singular plural. 10 they gave, you have to write 4. For 4 marks. These are the numbers. 5 they gave, you have to write 4 marks. This is watch. 2 they gave, no choice at all. 2 you have to write. 2 twos 4 marks. Next, join the sentences. You have to join and write. 2 you have to write. 4 marks. Next one is they gave incorrect one. You have to write it correct with grammar one. So 6 they gave, you have to write 5 marks. This is the conversation. In this conversation, any one you have to write 10 marks. This is the letters. So any one you have to write 10 marks. And this is Nibandh. In this 3 you have to write any one 10 marks. This is Hindi translation. You have to write in your own language. Telugu, Tamil, English, 5 marks. And this is English and every language they gave here. You have to translate in Hindi. For this one, they will give 10 marks. This is the second model paper.